Good morning, my dear children. We are doing the revision of chapter area. We will revise the formulas and based on this we'll give you the sums. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Children, repeat with me. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now based on this, we will do the sums. Area of a parallelogram. Now, if the base of the parallelogram, first sum, if the base of a parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter, then find its area. Children, I have written in short because I had given everything in the chapter when I was explained. So you can understand here which formula you have to use. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. So here write the formula. Area is equal to base into height. Then substitute the values. The base of a parallelogram is 8 and height is 5. So 8 multiplied by 5 is equal to 40 square centimeter. So when you write, you have to write it properly. Now final answer you will write area of a parallelogram is equal to 40 square centimeter. Now next sum, if the area of a parallelogram is 112 square centimeter and its base of it is 10 centimeter, find its height. So area is given, base is given, height is not given. So area is equal to base into height, that is 112, it is equal to, we'll substitute the values, that is equal to 10 multiplied by height. So height is equal to 112 upon 10, that is equal to 11.2 centimeter. So children, if you know the formula, you can find out these type of sums. So you must know the area. And the next we are going to do area of a rhombus. Next one we will do area of a rhombus. Children, repeat with me the formula. Area of a rhombus equal to half into product of length of diagonals. Rhombus, area of a rhombus, that is equal to half into product of length of diagonals. So the diagonals you can take it as D1 and D2. Now we'll do the sum based on this. If the diagonals of a rhombus are 15 centimeter and 18 centimeter, so the diagonals are given D1 and D2. It is given 15 and 18 centimeter. Then you have to find the area. So children, what is the formula to find area of a rhombus? Area of a rhombus is equal to half into product of length of diagonals. Now, children, repeat the formula with me. Area of a rhombus equal to half into product of length of diagonals. In short, you can write area is equal to half into D1 into D2. That is equal to half into 15 into 18. Children, you can do cancellation. 2 into 18, that is 9 times. Now 15 nines are 135 square centimeter. So what is the final answer? How will you write? area of a rhombus is equal to 135 square centimeter. Now, based on this, we'll do another sum. The area of a rhombus is 990 square centimeter. If the length of one of its diagonals is 36 centimeter, what is the length of the other diagonal? So here area is given, children. Area is given. The length of one of the diagonal, that is given 36. What is the length of the other diagonal? So here the diagonal which is given, that you can take it as D2, and which is not given, that you will take it as D1. Now we write the formula. Area is equal to, children, you can write the formula in short. Area is equal to half into D1 into D2. So here 990 area will substitute here, that is equal to half into D1 into 36. Now you can cancel 2 with 36, that is 18. So 990 is equal to 18 D1. Now we are going to find the next diagonal. D1 is equal to 990 upon 18. You will get 55 centimeter. When you divide 990 by 18, you will get 55 centimeter. So therefore, the last sentence you will write, the length of the other diagonal is equal to 55 centimeter. I hope it is clear to you, children. We will do the next one, area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. Now, children, repeat with me. Area of a trapezium formula, half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into height. Area of a trapezium, again repeat with me, half into sum of the length of parallel sides into height. If you know the formula, then only you can learn, you can do the sum. So it is very important to learn the formulas. Now, first one, the two parallel sides of a trapezium are 10 centimeter and 22 centimeter. If its height is 12 centimeter, what is its area? So in a trapezium, length of the parallel sides it is given, that is 10 and 22. So when you write the formula, you can write area of a trapezium half into sum of the length of parallel sides into height. So area is equal to, now we will substitute the values. Area is equal to half into, then you can write the parallel side 10 plus 22 into 12, that is the height. So you can cancel 2 and 12, that is 6 times. Now when you add 10 plus 22, that is equal to 32, multiply by 6. Children, it is very important. In this sum, children will confuse. Instead of adding this, they will multiply all the numbers. So they will get wrong answer. So it is very important, sum of the length of the parallel sides, sum. That means you have to add the parallel sides, length of the parallel sides. So 32 into 6, that is equal to 192 square centimeter. So I hope it is clear to you, area of a trapezium. And next we are going to do